In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FxPro to cTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to direct.fxpro.com and you want to sign into your account. And then here on the dashboard, click on Wallet and Account, top left. And then you have to select if you want to connect a real or a demo account. So for this instance, I'm just going to click on Demo Account, and then I'm going to click on Create Account. And over here, select which one you want, and then this is the most important part. Down here, bottom left, it says Platform Settings. Click on whatever it says over here and switch to cTrader, and then click on Apply. After that, click on Continue with cTrader. Select your account currency, your leverage, and then your initial demo balance, and after that, click on Create Demo Account. Now, that's the first thing you have to do over here to actually be able to connect to cTrader, okay? Now, here you'll be able to see your account. As you can see, it's over here for me. And then what you have to do first is click on those three dots, click on account info, and then you have to update your password. So just set your password here. I'm just going to set it really quickly. There we go. I set my password. Click on set password after that, and then you have your password updated. Now, the only two things you're going to need is that password and then, of course, your email address you actually use to sign in to your FxPro account. After this, go to the cTrader account, click on Trade, and then here under Download Options, you want to download cTrader for your device, okay? So it could be Windows or whatever. I have Windows myself, so after you do this, just click on the Setup, and it's going to automatically start downloading it. As you can see, for me, FxPro cTrader is already installed, so I just have to open it up on my computer. If I go to here, cTrader, there we go. As you can see, I have it. Then it's going to automatically download and install onto your computer, and then just open it up like I did over here. The first time you actually install it, it's going to open automatically, and this is what you're going to see over here. Now, to log in, just use your email. Okay, so type in your email you actually use to sign in to your FxPro account, and then here you want to use the password we just set for the account earlier. There we go. And then after you do that, click on the login button, and this is going to log you into your account. As you can see up here, I'm now inside my demo account here, and I can also switch between the different demo accounts I actually have created using my FxPro account, and then you can go ahead and start using it on here, right on cTrader, okay? So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.